delivering the tank to your site. The driver will need clear access for a truck and trailer, which can be 19 meters long, 3.5 meters wide, and up to 5 meters high for delivering the tank. When positioning the tank, ensure the strainer inlet on top of the tank is nearest to the shed, garage, or house to receive the inlet. Upon delivery, it is the customer's responsibility to secure the tank by either putting at least 200 ml of water into the tank or tying it down with suitable ropes. Once the tank is in place, this is a good time to spread some loam around the border to grow grass up to the tank, which will help in resisting erosion. Prime both elbow ends and glue one end. Prime the 90 ml outlet, then fix the elbow to the overflow, ensuring it's vertically level. Next, measure the length of the 90 ml vertical PVC overflow downpipe. Importantly, from this step, if you do cut the PVC to length, scrape off any shavings before priming and gluing, and then both surfaces to be joined should be primed and glued. Fit the bottom elbow. Prime and glue the top end and fix the outlet. Again, checking its level. Now prime and glue the bottom elbow and overflow and take it to a point well clear of the tank where it will not undermine the base. Or you can connect it into a stormwater drainage system. Fit a 90 mm mozzie stopper to the end of the overflow. It is recommended not to glue, but to secure with a self-tapper on top, so it can be taken off and cleaned if required. Installing the inlet pipes. Fix and screw to the guttering outlet, a suitable connector to match your 90 ml PVC round pipe. Now prime and glue the required elbows to the gutter outlet. Determine the end height and length of the 90 mm inlet feeder pipes, allowing for a minimum of 5 mm drop for every meter of inlet pipe. Cut to size. Clean, prime, glue and fix to the gutter elbow. All pipework must be supported so there is no added strain on the pipes. Fix with support brackets at a maximum of 2 meters apart, and never support pipework to the tank. Now glue and fix the elbow to the end of your feeder pipe. If you are fitting a second inlet from another gutter, follow the same procedure as just completed for the first inlet. Next, cut a 102 ml hole, or 2 holes, if you have 2 inlets, in the position marked on the strainer cover for the elbow inlet. Then refix the strainer back onto the tank. Measure the length for each pipe from the feeder pipe to the strainer inlet holes, allowing for the elbow. Cut them to length. Clean the ends and prime and glue on the elbows. Before gluing, always check the length. Then glue and fit both ends.